how's it going? Just got some updates for you on the Willys roll cage project. You saw yesterday, or the other day, I got to notch the tubing, use my handy dandy homemade notcher. So that's all done. I got the cage out right now. Just drilling the holes. Since it was out, I could mark them and get them all drilled. Now it's flipped up here, and I am working on. I have it tack welded, so we're gonna finish out the welds. Oh, got a lot of junk in here, and then we can paint it and get ready to do the bracing. There's gonna be plates up underneath to attach it to the frame. So I'm gonna get started on that right now. Alright, so I got about half of the welds done. Some of them are going to get 2 passes. So there's one of them. I also have to finish, these are the little rod mounts for the canvas, and the center mount here for the windshield bar. Still got to weld that one. So getting there. Got the top side of it, I just flipped it, and now finish those out. Still have to do a couple welds on the legs, but hopefully be done here in about an hour or so. And it is 28 degrees in here, so that doesn't help. I keep going in to thaw out my toes, but we're gonna get it done because the weather is gonna get nice soon, and I want to be driving.